Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey, and today we're still going to continue with our football food series, but I have some member of the fam, and AKA, that's a subscriber, who wanted a request. So, AB, this one's for you. We're going to do some garlic Parmesan wings. Let's do it. Okay, so this is probably going to be the easiest first step that I've done, because all we're going to do is one rub on these. Since they're garlic Parmesan wings, we're going to use some garlic jalapeno rub. And that's it. The harder part will come towards the end, because we're not going to go out and buy a bottle of garlic Parmesan sauce that you can get from like maybe Walmart or HEB. We're gonna make that from scratch ourselves. So, let's do this. We're just gonna give these a nice little coat. Shouldn't take too much, because we're gonna hit this with the garlic here, and then the garlic that's gonna be in the actual sauce. So we don't wanna overpower it with too much garlic. Hey, like I said, it's not going to be too much in this first step, but we are going to put these wings on a wire rack, and the 980 is on 375 degrees, and that's going to be our cooking temp for this. I'll see you at the smoker. Okay, so like I said, this is at 375. See, we got some good smoke coming out. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I am using some hickory wood, because this shouldn't be too long of a cook. An apple probably wouldn't get too much flavor in it. I want a little bit of smoke, so the hickory should be fine. And I'm gonna check back on these in 30 minutes. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I've already temped them, and they're hitting at about 145 to 150. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray them with some spray butter. This ought to help with the skin. And I'm gonna flip them over and get the other side. We're gonna let these go for about another 15 minutes. We're gonna check the temp and see if it's time to get them off. Okay, so our wings are almost ready. So it's time for us to go ahead and start on this garlic Parmesan sauce. So what we're gonna need is I got two small, like, this probably equals about one, maybe 1.5, 2, how many is this? Let's see. So this is about 8 tablespoons per. So we're gonna use both of these, and we're gonna use about 5 cloves of garlic. And what I'm gonna do first is get the butter melted over some medium heat. And once it's melted down, I'm gonna use a garlic press to get that garlic in there. And we're gonna do that on medium heat for about 10 minutes and get it so that it's fragrant. And then by then, the wings should be ready, and we'll go ahead and finish this off. Okay, so as you can see, we got the butter melted. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get some garlic in here. Now you don't wanna have this too high, because you don't wanna burn the butter. But I am gonna turn it up a little once I get the garlic in there to get it kind of a light roll on the boil, just so you can make sure I get it mixed in and incorporated. So like I said, go take the garlic press. since it's just me eating it, I don't care if I use my hands. And I'm gonna turn it down a little bit more than what I wanted. And you just want to stir it. Make sure you get all those nice aromas coming out and just hitting you in the face. And get this nice and incorporated with the butter and the garlic. Let me turn it down just a little bit more. Like I said, this take about 10 minutes. Okay, these are done now. We're gonna go ahead and get them off. We're gonna get them in this bowl. And we're gonna go in and mix them. Okay, so now that we got the wings off and in the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and get the pretty much the garlic butter that we made mixed up into it. Okay, now that we done that, let's get some cheese in there. Now you can, buy some cheese that's in a bag already done for you, or you can do it fresh. Fresh is better. So let's do it. Now I don't like real thick cheese in my garlic Parmesan chicken, so I kind of like it fine, which is why I'm deciding to do this myself like this. And then what I'm gonna do, get the top on it and mix it. No need to be fancy. Just a plastic bowl with a lid to it. Take a look-see. You know what? Go put some more cheese, because I've always said, I love cheese, right? Do this again. And that's it. I'm gonna be back when I plate it and we get ready for the taste. Hell yeah, gotta get that thumbnail. Be right back. All right, so we're finished, and now it's time to get to the best part, which is when I get to taste it. Woo, let's do it. So we're gonna go for this one right here. It's still warm. As you can see, that cheese hanging off. It's gonna be garlic Parmesan. Gotta make sure there's some Parmesan. Let's give it a taste. Y'all know I love spicy food, but if it can't be spicy, it's gotta be tasty. And that was tasty and a nice bite. Skin is awesome. Of course, it's not crunchy skin, but it's bite-through skin. And to me, that's the best kind of skin. Oh man, that garlic, not too bad, it's not overpowering. The cheese, I'm just gonna say that, the cheese. Man, you know what? That's just good. I've had garlic Parmesan in other places, but hey, homemade from scratch, it's hard to mess with it. But once again, I'd like to thank everybody for joining me. Thank you, fam, for coming through. If you're not part of the fam, go ahead, click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be notified when I put out some more content. And I got a surprise coming up soon for y'all, so stay tuned for that. Also, yeah, that's about it. I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.